Hey, hello friends, welcome to MS Experiment YouTube channel. Today we have a mysterious box which I received from tomtop.com. Here is the box which I received from tomtop.com. So it's time to unbox it. So without wasting time, let's start. Subscribe to MS Experiment YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss our video. First of all, special thanks to tomtop.com who sent me these products for making videos. They have amazing product and gadgets on their website. So please have a look on them. It's time to unbox. So let's start opening the box. Oh my goodness. There are two boxes inside the big one. Let's have a look on both. One of them is a bench vise. Here written that 360-degree bench vise. And inside the another one there is a soldering iron which is KK Moon EU60-watt manual soldering iron with soldering wire and few more stuffs like soldering wire holder and a socket converter. Let's have a look on our soldering iron. It's easy to hold and a smooth trigger and build quality is really nice. There is a cap on soldering iron. Let's open it. As you can see, all the mechanism inside the soldering iron, and there are few more things on the soldering iron. At the top there is a power switch. Finally, its quality is really nice. So it's time to check it out. So for that, first of all, let's assemble its all component to it. Here we completed our assembly. So let's load our soldering wire and test it out. As you can see, its metal part is changing its color. It's reddish brown and little bit smoking due to heating. And it's time to test it out. So let's start soldering by using this amazing soldering iron. It feels really nice and looks cool. But it's hard to solder by using this soldering iron due to less experience on it. So I need to try it more and more for better experience. You need little bit practice for best soldering result. So let's continue our soldering for better results. As you can see guys, after little bit practice, I improved my soldering by this soldering iron. So if you wanted to buy this thing, then please check out the link in the description for more details. There is only one drawback in this soldering iron. There is no stand, and when we put it on our table, its iron part touches the surface and it's not going inside the normal spring stand. So that's it. Let's open another box. It's 360-degree bench vise. It's too heavy and looks amazing. Made up of metal. Let's fix it on our table. It's easy to fix it on table. And its upper head moves 360 degrees. And had a nice holding grip. If you wanted to buy these tools, then please check out the link in the description. Have a look on tomtop.com. They have amazing products on their website. Please leave a comment and like this video. Share with your friends, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss our video. See you in next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you for watching.